Greetings from Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen to all my viewers and my subscribers. And if you are new here, you are welcome. What are we cooking today? Oblayo. We're cooking oblayo today. Look at that. Let's cook. I soak it for 9 hours. Now it's time to cook. My water is here, ready to boil. Okay, so I'm not adding salt yet. It's been about 10 minutes, and here we are. I'm gonna add more water to it because I'm going to make this into powder and add it to my oblayo. Okay, we get in there. Now time to add the flour. So I'm gonna add water. Adding my salt now. Then I add the corn flour. Okay. So it thickens it up. We are done. Okie dokie. Our oblayo is done. You see how thick it is now? Look, very thick. So in this case, you add your milk. Then it's not going to be watery. Look at that. Look. Okay. Perfecto. Bene perfecto. Hey. Bring your bowl. Okay, it's very thick enough. You add your carnation milk. Hey, bring your spoon.